copies. 15
This
copies.
won't dissolve.
15 spoons.
I think that looks like an energy drink. Okay.
It doesn't.
It's your yard time in. Pre-workout.
No.
Shout out to Big Herc 916 on YouTube. He gave me this. He's a G.
I don't think he'd approve of how this is used.
You know, maybe not, but he is also a big, strong man just like me. And he understands that I'm an adult and I can do what I like.
Is this not going to give you a cardiac arrest?
This won't dissolve.
Vitamin tablet.
There's no universe
You
that
don't need,
dissolves.
you do not need
Half-
vitamins
half-
in that.
half.
There's no...
I think ice cubes in the fridge already.
Ice cubes.
Yeah, ice cubes.
Why ice
It's
cubes?
going to be too hot to drink.
This won't dissolve.
It will dissolve.
It won't.
I'm off the Red Bull. I'm trying to keep it healthy.
We should just get back on the Red Bull.
No.
Yeah, there's no ice cubes.
I should mix Red Bull with this. Teach you a lesson.
It looks evil,
Okay. Yeah.
but it did dissolve.
Looks like the kind of drink that you just served in hell. It's also too hot to drink.
Add some cold water first. What's wrong with you? Why are you doing... This isn't an energy drink.
It's not an energy drink.
It's the ultimate energy drink.
No.
Okay.
It did dissolve, though. I was wrong.
It did dissolve. It's basically liquid. Taste test.
It's terrible, isn't it?
Tastes great. It's just too hot. Energy for days. Off the Red Bull. Okay.